What's going on, family? Wanted to do a quick video for you guys. So I've been dealing with the code P0455 for quite some time. Can't figure out where the leak is. It's for a vacuum or an EVAP leak. So I picked this little thing up from Amazon. Thought it was pretty cool. After I bought it, I realized that I could have made it, but hey, live and learn. All it is this little smoke machine. So pretty much, basically it's a paint can with a fitting for low PSI pressure to come into here. You hook this up to your battery and pretty much it blows smoke. You can either spend $20 on a smoke solution. I chose to use baby oil. It's working just the same. I'll open it up and kind of show you. Well, maybe not. It's pretty much like a giant vape wick. Wicks up oil and heats it up to the point that it just smokes but doesn't burn. And I figured out where the leak is. Hey, look right there. Got a little smoke show going on. So, need to figure out. I'm gonna probably pull this out, finally relocate it, because I don't want to keep dealing with that. So, but yeah, I think this thing was like, don't quote me, I might be wrong. I'll put the link in the description, but I think it was like just over $100. I figured to go get it tested at a shop, they're going to charge me $90 anyway. So, but all you do is bring it up in here, connect it. First I connected it to this lower one, didn't see any smoke, connected it up here, and smoke started coming out. So thought you guys somebody out there might be interested in it. If you're dealing with EVAP or vacuum leak, it's a cool little tool. Anyways, I hope it helps somebody out. Take care, guys.